off the rig and into the race, Charlotte Fire showed up strong. Charlotte Fire's Inferno row powered through the water at the Charlotte Dragon Boat Festival, one of the largest cultural celebrations on the lake. This isn't just a race, it's about unity, rhythm, and raw teamwork, the same principles we live by in every firehouse across the city. Dozens of teams come together for this event, celebrating Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month with a tradition that spans over 2,000 years. The Dragon Boat is a symbol of strength, speed, and community. And just like in the fire service, it takes every member moving as one. Charlotte Fire is proud to represent in a festival that honors culture, connection, and shared history. From fire calls to finish lines, Charlotte Fire's Team Inferno Row shows up with purpose, pride, and power.